Hello friends, today we are going to talk about a mistake many people make while using the phrase one-off. Consider this, you have some friends and one of them is a doctor. Now how would you fill in the blank in the following sentence? One of my dash is a doctor. Many would say one of my friend is a doctor. It is absolutely wrong. We can say one friend is a doctor. One friend of mine is a doctor. But if you want to say that using one of, you should always say one of my friends is a doctor. Another example. There are some houses in the valley plains and one of them is on the hilltop. Now fill in the blank. One of the dash is on the hilltop. It is not one of the house is on the hilltop, but it is one of the houses is on the hilltop. Here the subject is not houses. It is one of the houses, which is singular. So we can say and we should say that one of the houses is on the hilltop. I can give you a couple of more examples. One of the flowers hasn't withered yet, not one of the flower. One of the prisoners was very violent, not one of the prisoner. So what do we conclude from this brief discussion? Always use a plural noun after one of. So you may please fill in the following blanks as a homework for today. We have some servants. One of them is a female. Now, one of our dash is a female. 2. There are many beautiful places in Kerala. Tommankut is one of them. Tommankut is one of the beautiful dash in Kerala. I saw many refugees in the camp. One of them was very rich. One of the dash was very rich. He has written many novels. One of them is very interesting to read. One of his dash is very interesting to read. So from today onwards, I will be publishing videos both in English and Malayalam. English videos on Tuesdays and Malayalam videos on Fridays. If you understand Malayalam, you are welcome to watch the videos I upload on Fridays, or else we will meet on next Tuesday. Until then, goodbye. And please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thank you.